This is Craig Howgard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, corn prices were on the defensive from coronavirus jitters. Prices drew additional pressure from a stronger U.S. dollar and some technical selling. The weekly export sales report blew the projections out of the water as it came in at a very strong 88.3 million bushels, but it wasn't enough to offset the downward pressure yesterday. Soybeans were lower yesterday as we saw selling by traders worried about the potential impact of the surge in coronavirus cases. The weekly export sales report came in at 59.6 million bushels. Now that was down from last week, but still a very solid number. The South American weather models that I am following are sending a mixed message, but all in all it looks like it may tilt a little to the dry side, which, if true, would be friendly for prices longer term. Wheat experienced a mixed trade with Chicago wheat closing 5 cents lower, while Kansas City was down a penny, and Minneapolis was up 1/4 cent. Price pressure came from recent rain events in the Black Sea and the U.S., as well as from a stronger U.S. dollar. On the other hand, weekly export sales report was a welcome surprise, coming in at 27.3 million bushels, which was above the highest trade estimate. Cotton futures saw a continuation of their sell-off yesterday. At the closing bell, we had the cotton futures closing down 35 points, with December futures settling at 69.82. Livestock futures turned in kind of a mixed performance. We had December live cattle ending the day really performing well, up $3.30 for the day, while November feeder cattle were up $1.82.5 at the closing bell. Lean hog futures, on the other hand, lost some ground, with the December futures down 75 cents at the close. Class 3 milk futures continued to put in new life of contract highs. Yesterday saw the November futures closing 35 points higher as they settle at 23.28. In the meat cutout values, we had kind of just stronger straight across the board yesterday. Choice box beef was $1.38 higher as that closed at $207.17. Select boxes were $1.65 higher as they settled at $191.23. And pork carcass cutout values rose by $3 and a nickel as they ended the day at $87.57 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Howgard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.